Okay, this is essentially another example how to get information from the food label. It says how many calories would you consume if you eat the whole bag. Again, if you have a question asking you the entire container, so you have to see how many servings, and whatever is in the list in the label is 16 times this amount in the whole bag. So you have 140 calories, one serving of this container. So if you have the whole container, it's 16 times this amount. Will be 140, because this is one is in one serving calorie times 16, because you have 16 servings. And whatever is the result of this will give you the calories. Amen. You can do your calculations. It says how many carbs would you consume if you eat the whole bag, and they are not referring to calories of carbs. So I think the answer here can be in terms of amount. It says how many calories, again, in the whole bag. You go and see how much do you have in one serving. So total calories, you have 17 grams in one serving, and you have 16 servings in this container. So it's 17 grams times 16 servings. And again, this will tell you the total grams of carbs in this container. And the same will happen if I ask you about protein. So 2 grams in one serving. How much in 2 servings? So it's 2 times 2. How much in 3 servings? 2 times 3. How much in the whole container? 2 times the number of servings in this container, which is 16. So it's 2 times 16 for proteins. And the same could be for anything listed here. What percentage is this? Again, this is in reference to the previous question, carbs. What percentage is this amount if you eat the total bag of your daily intake of carbs? Again, you go here, the daily intake, the percent of the daily value is listed here for one serving. So for carbs, it's 6% in one serving. You will have 6% times 16, so 6% times 16 in the total pack. And this will give you a percent in the total pack. How much fat would you get by eating 5 servings of Doritos? Again, you come here and you say 8 grams in one serving. How much in 5 servings is 8 times 5. So 8 times 5. And this will tell you grams. If I ask you calories, then you need to convert these grams into calories, which in the case of fats is times 9. And how much saturated fat would you get if you eat the whole bag? So you read and you will see that the information in the nutrition fat panel, together with telling you total fat, also tells you information about saturated and trans fat. And saturated fat, it says 1.5 grams in one serving. In the whole pack is 1.5 multiplied by the number of servings in this pack, which is 16, 5 times 16. Or 1.5 grams times 15 or 16 servings in this whole container. So it will tell you the total number of grams in the container. And that's it. So thank you for watching. As I always say, I hope this will help you to understand how do you analyze and how do you get information from the nutrition labels.